Increase sign-ups with the bandwagon effect by showing a notification with the number of people who have already signed up. Sign into the Use It Better app and create a new workspace. Give the workspace a title, like Bandwagon Effect Notifications. Select the All Visits segment to get the sign-ups statistics. Select the Stats report. Enter URL, equals, followed by the address of your thank you page in the Meta Events field. Then click the button to load the report. The report will show you the total number of sign-ups on your website. Turn the report into a data feed that you can show on your website. Once the report reloads, copy the code snippet. You'll need it in a moment. Click the Schedule link to configure how often the report should be refreshed. Schedule the report to refresh at 8 a.m. or any other time of your choice. You can add your email address to get the copy of the report delivered to your mailbox. Finally, click the Schedule button. Now, click the plus icon to create a new segment. Enter URL equals, followed by the address of your sign-up page. Once you're ready, click the Apply button. Then, select the newly created segment. Add a trigger that will load the data feed on your sign-up page. Select the JavaScript code from the list. Paste the code snippet that you copied a moment ago. Update a single line of code to track the loaded result as a meta event. Delay the trigger to give the visitors a couple of seconds to read the page. Add another segment that will control if a notification should be displayed. Enter completed signups greater than 10 to set a minimum threshold. Click the Apply button to confirm. Once again, select the created segment. Add a trigger that will show the notification. Click the Notifications tab and select the Show on-Screen Notification Response. Enter the message that you want to show to the visitors. Use a replacement tag to display the latest number of sign-ups. Save the workspace once you're ready. You can test the notifications in the preview mode before you push them to production. Go to the sign-up page. The preview mode console should be displayed at the bottom. See if the notification shows up correctly. If everything works fine, toggle the live mode for all the triggers. Segments with the triggers are marked with flash bolts. All of them should be turquoise. Click the Save button and the notifications will start showing up on your website. There are many more ways you can use data to make your website better. Sign up for a free trial and try them all.